ain't scared to handle my business. I confess and repent that I handle my business. No, I'm not perfect, and no, I'm not God. I was living in the dark, so I handled my business, and everybody said that the written rock was finished, but the written shocked the world, and I handled my business. And now I'm telling other folks, handle your business, man. Open up your heart and let Jesus in it. And if you did that, then you handled your business. Now wait for instructions, then handle his business. Because like it or not, I'm going to handle my business as long as I live. I'm going to do some soul winning. That day on the cross, Jesus handled his business. He died for the world. The scream, it is finished. Now how many Christians going to handle their business? Go straight from the church and go out and witness. Oh, a lot of lost people want to handle their business. No, I ain't scared. I handle my business. I confess and repent that I handle my business. You can be young or old to handle your business. Go check the graveyard because all ages in it. You're never too young to handle your business. It's good to live life and be in it to win it. Because who knows when God's going to handle his business. Don't get caught slipping by continually sinning, man. Fall to your knees and handle your business. Salvation feel better than sleeping with women. Now, encourage the world to handle your business. Because every single day, somebody go missing. And I hope and I pray that they handle their business.